We'll guide you through how to cancel a CapCut Pro subscription. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on CapCut. And so for whatever reason you want to cancel your CapCut Pro subscription, perhaps you no longer go and use it, or you're finding it's a bit too expensive, or there's another reason why. It doesn't matter, but we're going to guide you through how you can go about cancelling it. We'll explain this so you can follow along on an iPhone and an Android as well. And by the end, you're going to have it cancelled. So this means you are not going to be charged when it comes round to the billing date. So make sure there's full guide and don't go and skip anything. Just to go and show you I currently have it, if we go and press me in the bottom right, here you can go and see my profile and I've currently got Pro. You can go and see my next billing day is on the 28th of May there, 2026. So to go about cancelling it, what we need to do is come out of CapCut like so. Now, on an iPhone, open the App Store. On an Android, open the Play Store. What you then need to do is on the Play Store or the App Store, press the profile icon in the top right. On an iPhone, go down to subscriptions. On an Android, you can go down and find payments and subscriptions. Now you need to go out and find the active subscription. So for me, it's CapCut. Of course, yours will be CapCut as well, and we can tap on it. On an Android, you'll go down and find subscriptions, and then you can find CapCut. And we then want to go and find the option for cancel. So you can then go and tap that there. It does go and say we're going to go and keep it until the billing date, which is good. So we're still going to have the tools. You can then go and confirm the decision. There is a discount there, but I'm going to go and press cancel. Go and wait, and that's it.